हाँ जी सर।
अर्जुन, कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा रॉकन 2 करना और साथ में इस बात को मेंटेन रखना कि पहला किरदार दूसरे किरदार से कहीं मैच ना हो?
अरे मैच तो होना चाहिए, सीक्वल है भाई साहब।
यकीन है, लेकिन फिर भी
लेकिन हाँ, अगर जिस तरीके से उन्होंने रॉकन 2 का जो किरदार लिखा है जो के लिए 8 साल बाद आप उनसे उनकी मुलाकात होती है, दर्शक की मुलाकात होगी लोगों के साथ, मेरी भी हुई थी उसी हिसाब से। तो क्या हो बीती उस 8 सालों में वो ये कहानी है और उसी प्रकार से मुझे भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ा। क्या होता है कि हम सब बदलते हैं दुनिया में, चेंजेस इन हैव टू। तो उसी हिसाब से जो मेरा भी किरदार काफ़ी बदला है और किस हिसाब से बदला है, उसे किस तरीके से आई हैड टू एम्ब्रेस हिम, क्योंकि जो एक बहुत ही मुझे कैरेक्टर दैट वाज वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट। और जब कुछ अलग देता है एक निर्देशक आपको कि आप इस तरीके से उसे पोर्ट्रे कीजिए, क्योंकि ये सब हुआ है जो कि ज़िंदगी में, तो हाँ थोड़ी बहुत इनिशियली मुश्किल आप महसूस करते हो कि ये मुश्किल होगा, लेकिन तो जो बेसिक होता है एक किरदार का, जो एक फाउंडेशन होता है, वो कभी नहीं बदल सकता और वो हम सब में नहीं बदलता, और वही हमारी फिल्म की कहानी है।
Okay, are we going to see singing?
प्राची सिंगिंग
मुझे लगता है साक्षी मेरी तरह शायद बस एक बाथरूम सिंगर है, तो स्टेज पे नहीं आती है, गाना नहीं गाती है इनके साथ, वो ये लोग वो कमी पूरी कर देते हैं। बट आई थिंक इनको सुनने में, इनको जैम करते हुए देखने में और वो सब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया और मैं थोड़ी इंस्पायर्ड हो गई। तो तब से आई थिंक आई इंक्रीज माई बाथरूम सिंगिंग, बट एज द कैरेक्टर आई थिंक साक्षी अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी भी नहीं गाती है।
अभी गाई थी रॉक ऑन वन में।
म्यूजिक की बात करें, क्या इसमें भी फरहान के जो गाने सारे उन्होंने ही गाए, because we wanted to ask him that question but he left in a rush, so has he sung
He'll
all-
come back. You can ask it to him again.
आपसे जानना चाहेंगे,
हाँ?
आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे क्या
नहीं, फरहान takes his singing and his singing career very seriously. I mean, you watch him, and I've gone and we've all gone. We've watched him live, in Farhan live, and he's very amazing. He's very amazing, and he is a poet. He writes his own songs. He's very, very talented, and he does all of that. So for him, Rock On is an extension of him, and you have to be appreciative about it, because how much he has skill in this genre of film, I don't think any of us as actors have that. So it's a something you must really appreciate. It is the reason why I think also Rock On 2 took so much time to get made and was made in this way. Because he's very passionate. Farhan is very, very passionate about his sound and about his music. And he's half Parsi, and I know Parsis. So he's quite mad in that sense. But he is, when he gets his head to something, he sticks with it. And he's done that with this movie. And the sound of this movie with Shankar Ehsaan Roy, Farhan, and even Shraddha, who's got a beautiful voice, collaborating, is very, very special.
Well, Farhan,
Farhan.
sorry.
Hi, buddy.
In the first part, we see the music, the film is overall fantastic. But the look of your character, each and every character of yours was fantastic. This time it changes in your career. Were you disappointed with the look?
Were you disappointed? Yeah, so see, I don't understand your question, and if you look the same way after 8 years, that means you're stuck in a time warp. Sometimes if Joe, I think, had long hair in this movie, I would not do this movie, because I would believe that Joe would cut his hair. The same way, like my guru of music is Bono from U2. Bono had really long hair when he did Rattle and Hum, when he did Streets of No Name, and all those kind of albums. and now you see him. He's got short hair. He's a humanitarian. You know, he is with the UNO. He's grown, and I think growth is very important, and that's what we've tried to portray through.
Okay, Prachi, then now the new entry in Rock On 2, that is Shraddha Kapoor, Shashank Arora is a part of it. Do you think that there'll be a comparison once you already been part of Rock On first, now Shraddha is part of another Rock On 2? Do you think there'll be a comparison between you and Shraddha Kapoor with all due respect?
Was there any comparison between the 4 boys in the first film? I'm
I'm
sure there was, and I don't think there's ever space for that. I think everybody's so amazingly well fit into the roles that they're doing, and I truly believe that they are meant for it. I don't think anybody else could have been Joe. I don't think anybody else could have been Jia or Adi or Sakshi. So I feel that everybody has their own space, who's kind of, I think, very beautifully fitting into it. And you have to watch the film to believe what each one brings to it. And I'm sure that I hope that people really love it, and I believe nobody else could have done this part. So there's no space for
Everybody.
comparison.
You see, it's not about the quantity; it's the quality of each part, and I think each one is given a lot of quality because of the respect of what we were trying to do. The sad part is that today, when we talk about a franchise or we talk about a sequel, 90% of the sequels that are being made in this country don't even retain those characters. Okay, characters change, their names change. Okay, they're the same people, but it's a sequel, but their names change, circumstances change, and it's just, you say, oh, it's a sequel. That's not how a sequel is. Spider-Man cannot become Superman, and Superman cannot become Batman. That's a sequel. Okay, and I think Rock On is being true to that, and true to all those characters. Today I really miss my wife Debbie. Okay, and I wish she was here, because she's also really, really amazing in the film, and Shana was amazing in the earlier one. So yes, that's what the spirit and the feeling of all of us coming together to do a sequel. इसलिए 8 साल लग गए, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली. ऐसा नहीं था कि नहीं करना चाहते थे. नितेश सिलवानी तो कल बनाना चाहता था. ओके, आप लोग तो 4 हो जाते. ओके, मगर उस हिसाब से नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए क्योंकि we all have been, including Ritesh, Farhan, and the whole team have been very, very particular about something very pure, not